Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a micro SD card at the Alcatel 2051X. Okay, what we need is at first the micro SD card. It is this one. So we show that you have the micro version like this. And then we need to remove the back cover. So turn it like this, the phone. This is the one is on the top here. And then down you have a small notch and you go there with your fingernail and remove slowly the back cover like this. Be brave. Okay, and it's removed. Here you insert the micro SD card. What do you need at first to remove also the battery? So here's another notch. There's a big arrow which will show this to this notch, and you go there with your finger and press a bit and to the directions with the small arrows to remove the battery. One more time, go there a bit, press a bit, and then you can remove the battery. Okay, the SIM card is already inserted. Now we insert the micro SD card, and you have to put the micro SD card like this, no? And here's also small instruction with that. Contacts are below and you put it in this direction, no? And then if it's inserted, so now it is completely inserted. Okay, and after you just put back the battery, so contacts on contacts, same thing, zack. Okay, and then you put the back cover like this, no, same place, and then zack, 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 zack. Okay, and it's done. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, give me a thumbs up if you want. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much, and also a nice comment is always welcome. Thank you so much. It's really helpful for my videos, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.